What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's after Ford takeover, and it's like, man, it's kind of surreal and sad that it's over and all that. But my buddy, BREW2L Vlogs, they had not left yet. We were talking a little bit this morning, and they were like, they needed to get on the road, but they wanted to see the shop too, so that's what we're doing. I don't know if you can see him behind me there. There's the two-tone GT, but he's got Zach and Andrew with the Arctic Fox. So we're headed out to the shop. We're gonna do a little shop tour with BREW2L, see what he thinks, you know, let him check everything out. And it's gonna be a good time, so let's get out to the shop. Y'all, we have arrived. We're just gonna run both cameras the whole time, you know. Yeah. You can watch this video twice.
Hey, we gotta do what we gotta do.
Exactly. I bet y'all were thinking, are we ever gonna get there?
I was like, no, it wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad. Hey, we're from the country.
True, yeah.
We get the back road. I felt right at home, actually.
No, it wasn't bad at all. Okay, let's like kind of lay it out. If y'all remember back when I started YouTube back in October of 17, and we built my car, this was it. This is all that was there, which we can go in here and check it out, but none of that was there. And you know, we just like, we're building my car, and my idea was, you know, let's help Fox guys, you know, do the swap and kind of get ahead of the curve. And this was literally it.
I remember that. Your engine was what, over there in the corner for a while? Or?
It was, yeah, it was right there.
Right over there.
Yeah, it was sitting right there.
Yeah, I think this is where most of us actually started watching.
Uh-huh.
You know, when they were in here. That's whenever I started watching anyway. This is cool to finally see everything.
And the funny thing is, if you've got the car all the way up, the door has to be down because there's no room over there.
Oh, I never noticed that. That is cool. Okay.
But
so there's a cutout for the car.
Right. But the
awesome.
door comes up too far, so you have to be careful if the door's up. But of course, in the summer, you're burning up, and you got to have the door open a little bit.
That's what I'm talking about.
But you know, it like all of that new shop and all that stuff. Like I was making the videos, people were watching, and it just, man, it went out of control. None of that was in the plans.
Yeah, I know. It just kind of come up, and next thing you know, we're doing a shop. And then there's a big shop.
Parts everywhere.
I know, dude. It's, as you can see, that's the Dart 434 that was gonna go in the SSP, but he's going Coyote now, so that engine is for sale. That's got the best of everything.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's
That's a man.
But
oh, yeah.
then of course,
so no plans for that. She's just gonna sell it.
it's for sale. Yeah.
Coyote swap and put a turbo on.
We'll swap in the 18.
Yeah. Yeah, put it in the 18.
Reverse engineer. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
And then over here, this was where we like started my engine bay. Let me get the light. Sorry guys, I know it's dark. Okay. Yeah, this was where like we started on my engine bay and did some other stuff.
Yeah, I remember that. This is where you sprayed it.
Right. That's what's hilarious. We still come and we're like, you know, this shop is full. We're like, how in God's name do we ever do anything out there?
Yeah.
And get away with it. So this is that truck you guys have been seeing. It's just about done, and it'll be heading down the road. But as you walk in, this is Corey's 85. It had the Windsor heads cam intake Windsor, and it's getting the Coyote and Power Glide. He's almost done.
Coyote and Power Glide. That's a good combination.
And a lot of nitrous. We're working on this one. There is, well, yeah, it's over there on the stand. or on the cart, is his engine and power glide.
Man, these things.
So
That don't smell like oil, man.
let me turn this fan off so you guys can kind of hear. So yeah, this is Lee's, the guy you met last night.
Yeah.
And the last upload I did, we did all the brakes and the front suspension, kind of got it close to mobile.
How far down did y'all have to drop the motor?
I think it's 1/4 inch spacers. I'm not sure. Every one of them's a little different. We brought this one down a little more just because of the Whipple on it, but
Yeah, that's beautiful.
it's gonna be a monster.
That
That goes for me, geez. See, these are actually Mustang engines. There's a company in Detroit that buys overrun engines, and when Ford went to the 18s, they had, from what I was told, warehouses of these engines just sitting there, and you could buy them up for $4,500, $5,000. The more you bought, the cheaper you got them. So this is one of those engines, and it's just crazy.
That is crazy. That's so clean. That is so clean. That looks so good.
Yeah. And then this is Jeremy's car. This is the one that's getting the 2017 Super Snake engine.
That color.
That's the Viper Blue.
Amazing. That looks so good. So the same guy sprayed this one?
No,
so
no.
different
A guy down in Memphis painted this car. He's the same one. He does a lot of the Street Outlaw, for the TV show cars. And
That is beautiful. That color looks so good.
he's even got the little coyote airbrushed on the on the firewall.
I'm gonna take a picture. You're gonna have to take pictures for me.
Yeah,
about
lots
to
and
right
lots
now.
of pictures.
I didn't hold it.
There's Dover.
What up?
Dover, we're taking him around the candy store here.
Yeah. There he is.
Hey, there's a light.
Oh, there you go.
But so yeah, this is getting the 17 Super Snake engine. Where's the Super Snake engine? Okay, there it is. Yeah. If y'all watch the video, he took the blower off and those polished valve covers,
The
and
one that, so he stayed with the valve covers. He just polished. I know he's talking about changing them.
yeah, he took the MMRs off because it had to be machined for these,
Yeah.
and he's gonna have those painted to match, but he's not gonna paint the Whipple because they were saying it had to be taken completely apart to do, and he just like, screw that.
I was wondering what he was gonna do with them.
Yeah, there's the power glide, and this is Corey's engine right here.
Serious shit right there.
Yeah. Yeah, it's going to be a monster. 456 gears,
Oh, yeah. Hey, I can
So-
tell you about a power glide 456.
Exactly.
It works.
Exactly. You're going to need to buy stock and rear bumpers.
Exactly.
This is the Leadfoot Gray, 93.
All right, John. Now, here you go. You said you wanted some Leadfoot gray footage. Here it is.
On a Fox, does it not look? Oh, my God.
Man, that looks really good.
And it's got this one's all Team Z drag set up.
Now, is that Dover's too?
This is the SSP that was getting the 434.
Okay.
And yeah, it's a 92 FHP. And
Man, that is just absolutely beautiful.
if you can get up there, check out what they did with smoothing the bay. It's next level. It's beautiful. So obviously this is the car everybody freaking talks about.
Yes, I know. This is beautiful.
I mean, it's
It's done right too.
the guy Nick that's doing all of our stuff now. He painted this car and he went over the top with it. And
Yeah, I would say so. This color, it changes so much. It's almost got like a burnt orange look to it.
It does.
Lights.
And that was the first thing Dover and I talked about, is we had never actually seen one brand new with good clear coat that wasn't faded, and it just
Yeah, it looks really good. It's like I said, it's got a totally different look to it under these lights.
it does.
It looks really good.
And of course the moldings, it's a 91, and my thing always was I always wanted to paint the moldings, but being a 91 and now being 2019, I'm like, that's classic.
It is.
The moldings being that, and they're correct, and
We went back and forth with that on Andrew's car, whether to do his black or
yeah.
And we had intentions of doing black, but we got lazy.
Yeah.
And we painted them white.
You're like, screw it, right?
Yeah. Now we're kind of like, well, it looks good either way, but this looks really good. I like that. I like it broken up. So
Yeah.
I think that looks.
I saw it in the white one.
All right, Andrew. First of all, I love the shirt. You know, that's my buddy Harris Lou that does those. He designs those.
I got this one and the blue one. I had to get both of them. I ain't got the black one yet, but I'm getting it too.
All right, so this, like, obviously y'all wanted to come, but Andrew was like, he was not leaving
I
here
wasn't leaving until I came.
until he could come out to the shop. So what do you think so far?
This is it's crazy because you come up here, man. There's just coyotes everywhere, and
Yeah.
down there is like it's still like a pipe dream.
Yeah.
Like no one up here is like, oh, there's another coyote spot box spot. There's another one. It's just everywhere.
It is kind of wild though, Dover, that Podunk Jackson here, like yesterday, there was there 6 swaps?
6, I think.
Came out yesterday.
Yeah.
So like here, it's kind of weird because, you know, of what we're doing out here, it's almost people have seen them, you know, but you do go somewhere else and it's like, I've never seen one, you know.
Actually, you know what? We were talking about it a couple days ago. I don't think I've ever seen one in person.
I know.
It is, but it's where you're at,
The
you
only
know.
one I know of is about 2 hours from us in Columbus.
I get
Georgia.
people
Really?
going. I've seen
I've
them
never
everywhere.
seen it, I just heard
but it's
about
like you get on Facebook, you see them everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You get out, you don't see them.
Right.
Yeah, you don't see them. And that's
Right.
the thing, you know, I've seen them on Facebook and online, obviously YouTube, but I've actually never seen one.
I don't care if there's 100 of them.
Maybe at the track.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe at the track one time, but yeah.
That's the only thing that's frustrating is I couldn't take them for a ride in the car on the tires and it
Yeah,
being
a couple
wet.
people asking me, and it started raining, so I just left.
Yeah. Stinks. So what's your favorite car, Andrew, out here? What do you think?
It's gonna be between the black one and the blue one. The color is just like the color is like beautiful, but the black one it's like, like the sketchy vert.
The Sketchy Vert. Yeah, I like that name, actually.
Make a whole bunch of power.
We need to ask Lee about what he thinks about the Sketchy Vert name.
I asked him about putting K2, he's not.
I don't blame him.
Not at all.
Yeah.
It's
It's definitely gonna be sketchy. But you did see we got all the brakes on and everything.
I really like the Cobra calipers and stuff on it. It looks good.
Yep.
Yeah, it does look good.
It has the same rotors on the front and back.
Yeah, 13-inch vented.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes they send me the wrong ones, and I call them.
Which he's gonna friggin' need them too, you know.
They actually sent, for the first time they sent them, they sent the wrong calipers for the back. Because I was like, the calipers you sent ain't working with these rotors.
Man. Fire it up.
Old school.
Old school. See, I know old school.
This is also Florida Highway Patrol. It does have gas. Yeah, we're putting some gas. Not much.
I wasn't expecting that.
Yep. Old school, baby. Yeah, everything's a little bit rough on it. There you go. So this is the one where I did the wire tuck on.
Yeah.
Done a lot of little projects too.
Yeah, that
It looks good.
All right, guys. So gave them the official tour. It's just been awesome having them out. And another huge shout out to the man with the plan.
Thanks.
Appreciate you coming.
Appreciate it.
Andrew,
Appreciate you having us.
Zach, you guys. I appreciate everybody coming out, and it was super. Like I was so excited to get y'all guys out here and let you check out what we're doing. And
Great.
I
Yeah,
mean,
even with the weather, we had a great time.
exactly.
Everybody got to meet and hang out, so
Yep.
really cool.
It was awesome. And this is like picture perfect right here. I mean, my God.
That's the lineup right here. Speaking of which, I need to get a picture from over here.
Yeah, definitely. But there you go, guys. It's they got to get back to Alabama, unfortunately, but it's been a heck of a time, and we're gonna do this again somehow, some way. We're gonna do something again, and because what I really want to do, the weather didn't cooperate, is like do a video driving your car, you drive mine. You know, we just go back and forth, talk about the different cars. But
We've got to do that.
We'll make that
Absolutely.
happen.
Yeah. Well, and it may be next year, but either way, we're going to make it happen. We're going to be back
Absolutely.
up here again. Maybe we can get him down there.
yeah, I'm coming. I'm serious.
We got to find something for him to do though when he comes.
And here's the thing too, guys. He spilled the beans to me. I can't spill the beans to you about what's coming for his build. So if you aren't already watching and subscribed, hit him up because he's got some good stuff coming.
Yep. We're going to do a little project car for you guys.
Definitely. What else is coming for this one, Andrew?
For this one, not much.
Not much. You're gonna work on the nitrous car.
Put caster camera plates on it.
I got
maybe
you.
some gears in it, and a T5 swap is inevitable.
Definitely. Definitely.
That's horrible. It's horrible.
That is coming.
And black car is gonna be the main focus.
Definitely. I want to see that thing sprayed and on the strip.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
dying to see that.
I
Dying
gotta
to
see
see
how
it.
much it can take.
And Zach, we're going twin turbos on Zach.
Oh
right?
yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, someday,
Like,
someday.
as long as you're buying.
Have you gotten shipping confirmation on the Hellion kit yet?
No, they're delivering it personally.
I got. Okay. Sweet. Sweet.
They're walking it down there.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So that is what is up. Awesome time, and just keep it tuned right here. Lots more coming. We got to get back on these builds, and we got a lot of stuff to do. So that's what we're gonna do. Everybody, stay tuned. Give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and that's it. Later, guys.